What happens when sin is practiced openly without shame? What fate waits a nation that mocks divine warnings? And who was the prophet sent to stop a moral collapse? This is the story of Hazrat Lut alayhi salam, a prophet sent to the cities of Sodom and Gomorrah. A man who stood alone against widespread corruption, a final warning before a devastating punishment. The people of Lut lived prosperous and secure lives. Their cities were active centers of trade and travel, but immorality spread openly through their society. They normalized sin and rejected natural moral limits. Allah sent Lut alayhi salam to guide his people. He warned them with patience and clear words. He called them back to purity and obedience, but they laughed and threatened to exile him. One night, angels came disguised as guests. Lut alayhi salam feared for their safety. The people rushed toward his home with evil intent. Their hearts had become blind to guidance. The angels revealed their true identity. Lut alayhi salam was ordered to leave before dawn. He was told not to look back. His wife chose disbelief and stayed behind. The earth shook violently beneath the cities. A powerful blast descended from the sky. The towns were turned completely upside down. Stones of baked clay rained with precision. The punishment erased the sinful nation forever. Sin destroys societies from within. Ignoring divine guidance leads to ruin. Allah's mercy always comes with warnings. The story of Lut alayhi salam remains a timeless reminder.